RBNs, this is RB and welcome to my channel RB and a Chopper. Hope you all are doing good, and today I'm back with our kids' favorite recipe. Today I'm going to make a sandwich with salami. In this recipe I used chicken salami, but if you want you can use any other meat salami also. And this recipe is very easy and it's tasty and healthy as well. So let's go to the recipe now. But before that, please like this video and please watch till the end. And if you're new to this channel, then please subscribe my channel and hit that notification bell. So let's go to the recipe now.